Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rumiati, kelas Karyawan Blora, Prodi PAUD. Today I will be presenting the question answer from number 1 to 10. I kindly ask 5 years and stand during the presentation. Please forgive me of there are and mistakes as I am still in the process of learning. Thank you. Number 1. Explain the significance of adopting the specific approach the standing religion. How does the approach influence the understanding of religion phenomena? The approach usual in standing religious greatly determines how we understand religious phenomena. The technological approach to cultural. To has faced the doctrine while the social and cultural approach the religion as of human social life. Number 2, describe the circumstance and environment in the which Prophet Muhammad received the first relation. Why did the chose the meditate in the cave, and what was his reaction in the first revelation? Prophet Muhammad usually spent a month every year in a cave at the top of a mountain near Mecca. When the was 40 years, for the Archangel Gabriel come to him and confiscated him. When the prophet received the relation from God, when the become sure, he began to call people to accept the new religion. The new religion was based on the oneness of God, worshipping only Allah and giving up the worship of ideal. Number 3, discuss the meaning and importance on the term revelation. Why in Islam? How is it different from other form of divine communication? Islam is in the term revelation. Wahyu refer to the direct communication from Allah, a God, to his prophet. It is a clear concept in Islam belief and play a critical role in stopping with the fight, guide, and practice of Muslim. Here's a breakdown it is morning important and how it different from other from elephant communication. Number 4, summarize the main message and the first revelation the Prophet Muhammad. How did the message challenge the belief of the people of Mecca that time? Prophet Muhammad received the first revelation of their become a prophet. The first revelation said, "Write in the name of the Lord what created." Created man from a balut cloth. Read the Lord is must be facial. He talk by pen. Talk man that he knew not. Then Prophet Muhammad invented in the people of Mecca to follow his religion. Identify the first individual who accepted Islam after the Prophet received the initial revelation. What does their accept suggest about the early speech of Islam? About 3 years after Prophet received and first revelation, he was told, "Were your close relative Khadijah, his wife, was the first woman to accept Islam. The Abu Bakr was the first man. Ali bin Abi Thalib, his cousin, was the first to accept Islam, and Zaid was the first servant to accept. Number 6. Analyze the role of Archangel Gabriel and the process of revelation. How did Gabriel's involvement affirm Prophet Muhammad? Prophet Muhammad was 40 years of the Archangel Gabriel come to him and convinced him it was clear that he was the prophet God. He received the first revelation of their becoming a prophet. Number 7. Compare and contrast the Islamic comment of revelation with the understanding of revelation perspective unique. Islam is the perfection of religion and can bring peace to people. It is a religion that deeply cares about the condition of the followers. Number 8. Discuss the gradual development of the Islamic community Ummah during the earliest years of Islam. What strategies did the Prophet use to invite people to the new faith? The discussion the gradual he started to speak to his close friend and his family. The number started to increase the friend Abu Bakr, but when the received the first mountain, this was the sixth for him to inform all the people of Mecca of his cause. Number 9. Explain the historical and religious significance of the comment warm your relative by the Prophet Muhammad 3 years the Venus revelation. How did the comment check the prophets about approach the spreading Islam? He started to speak to his close friend in his family. Khadijah, his wife, was the first woman to accept Islam, and Abu Bakr was the man. Ali bin Abi Thalib, his cousin, was the first boy to accept Islam, and Zaid was the first servant to accept Islam. The number started to increase slowly to get the personal contact in the Prophet and his close friend. Abu Bakr, but he received the first mountain. This was the sixth for him to inform all the people of Mecca of his cause. Number 10. Reflect on the broader impacts the dawn of Islam on Arabian society. What were the immediate social of religious change the accurate as a result of the new teaching introduced the Prophet Muhammad. Social. Before Islam, Arab society played great importance on the life and family status. Islam teaches the quality of all people before Allah, regardless of their arrangement of ancestry or religious. Islam about this had the practice of polydance and its worship, which were come in Arab society and replied the white monotheist Tauhid, the belief in one al-Mignite God. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.